Lexi with Unleash Youu. Today we're going to tackle a common networking issue that can easily cost you hours of troubleshooting: VLAN misconfiguration. I'll walk you through a real-world scenario where adding multiple VLANs to a single switch port can unexpectedly disrupt network communication, and more importantly, how to prevent it from happening in your environment. Let's get started. Picture this. It's Monday morning, and users in accounting can't access the network. Everything worked fine on Friday. Over the weekend, the team added a guest VLAN and made some port changes. Now accounting is down. So originally, what you had was on port 12, VLAN 10 was allowed. Over the weekend, a technician needed to add the new guest VLAN 40 to the trunk so guest users could access the network from both switches. They thought, I need to add VLAN 40 and make sure VLAN 10 still works. So, in looking, let's look at what the interface looks like right now. As you can see, it is only VLAN 40. So, let's break down where things may have gone wrong. In order to prevent this, things to stay mindful of is when configuring this port, there's one little word that is huge when adding a VLAN that can cause giant issues if forgotten. So in this line right here, switch port trunk allowed VLAN 40. What caused it was, without adding the word add, you're essentially just replacing the allowed VLANs. So what you want to do is have switch port trunk allowed add, switch port allowed VLAN add 10. If we exit, and then show our interface again. Now both our VLANs are allowed on that port and accounting should be back online. In conclusion, a simple switch port trunk allowed VLAN add 40 would have prevented this outage. So remember, use add when adding VLANs to existing trunks, never mix access and trunk commands, and always verify that all required VLANs are still working after changes. Thanks for watching. If you've made the same mistake with trunk VLANs, you're not alone. Share your story. I'm Lexi with Unleash Youu, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.